Okay, so you're just getting started out in trading and you don't have too much to put into your Forex account, but you want to know how you can grow that small account and actually make real money while trading Forex. Well, guys and girls, today is your lucky day because in this video, we are going to go over my powerful secret formula to growing small trading accounts. So before we get started, you will need a strategy, because if you're going to be trading, of course, you're gonna need a strategy. So I have a video that I will link in the description below where we go over a very simple trading strategy that you can implement and that will give you a good starting point on your trading journey, and that you can implement that strategy. So after understanding the strategy and you're ready to trade on growing your small account, here is the first tip that I want to give you guys, is that do not use a live account until you are ready. Do not ever put your hard-earned money into a live trading account until you are ready. What does this statement mean? When do you know that you are ready? So first thing, before you do anything, before you try out your trading strategy on your live account, you need to try it first on your demo account. And if you cannot win at least 6 out of 10 trades using that trading strategy on a freaking demo account, then do not use it on a live trading account, period. Remember guys, the last thing that you want to do is to lose your hard-earned money on some random trading strategy that you found on YouTube. So before you do anything, before you start trading your live account, you need to go and backtest that strategy and see for yourself whether it works first before trying it out with your hard-earned money. Because trust me, ladies and gentlemen, you are going to start losing a lot of money if you just randomly put money into your live trading account when you are not ready. When you do not have proper risk management, all of these steps adds up to determine whether you are ready or not. A good trading strategy, a good trading plans, proper risk management, a good trading journey, all of these things determine whether you are ready or not. Do you have any of these 4 things? If not, then simple as that, you're not ready. If you have 3 out of 4 of these things, you are still not ready. So when you're ready, when you have all of these 4 things, the next step to grow your small trading account is you have to have a plan. Have a trading plan, or rather just a plan, or have a target on how many pips or how many percentage gain you want to receive for this week or for a day. This will really prevent you from one of the common mistakes that all traders, let me say beginner traders, have, is overtrading. Overtrading occurs when you have been losing a few trades in a row and it still continues trading because you want to get that money back. Sounds familiar, right? Overtrading also occurs when you have won a few trades in a row and you want to even make more money because you are greedy, and you end up losing those profits and giving back the profits back to the markets. I hope that sounds familiar too. If you do have any of these things, then you are overtrading, man, and you can avoid overtrading by setting a profit target for a day or for a week. Now please take this time to click the like button, then hit that subscribe button without forgetting to turn the notification bell icon on. Thank you for watching, and bye.